Hey, welcome back to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that helps make you a better buyer of your business insurance. Hit subscribe if you like my content. Today, I want to talk to you about wholesale brokers. What are they? Do they even matter? Should you be concerned if your agent is using a wholesale broker? I'm going to answer all those questions to you. So first, I want to explain what is a wholesale broker? Why are they important? Okay, so every insurance company in the world has volume requirements. They don't want to work with every single agent, or if they do, they'll say, hey, we'll give you a contract, but you have to send us X amount in premium a year. Well, not every agent can feed every single mouth, right? So if you have one agent, they have four insurance companies they're already working with, they can only give a certain amount of premium to those carriers. So they might not be able to keep every single carrier happy. So there might be markets out there, insurance companies, that they just can't work with because they don't have enough premium to work with those carriers, right? So instead, if they want to get to that insurance underwriter, that insurance carrier, they have to go through a wholesale broker, because that wholesale broker typically has really good relationships with them, has all the volume requirements met. So that's all a wholesale broker is. It's just basically a way for your insurance agent to access a market that they don't have enough volume to support, or maybe that wholesale or maybe that insurance carrier doesn't want to even offer a contract to your agent, right? Could be for various reasons, but they might say, we only work through wholesalers. So if that's the case, there's nothing your agent can do. But you want to know, does this impact me, right? Does this hurt me? Does this cost me anything extra? The answer is no, really. So how the wholesale broker gets paid is your agent typically makes 15%, from the premium from the carrier, and the agent gives 5% of that 15 to the wholesaler. So now the agent gets 10, wholesale broker gets 5%. But your costs don't go up, right? Now, if you have taxes and fees, that's not because of a wholesale broker. Wholesale brokers can charge a fee, right? So that'd be the only detriment to it, is there might be a fee from the wholesaler on that. And your agent hopefully can negotiate that down and get it pretty minimal. There's also taxes and fees from the insurance company if you're with an E&S, surplus lines market, that just are standard. There's no way around those. Even if your agent goes direct to the E&S market or surplus market, you're going to have some taxes and fees. But yeah, so the only detriment, I guess, to working with a wholesale broker is there might be an additional fee that wholesaler charges. It's usually just a couple $100, so it's not that bad. Obviously, your preference is if you have an agent that can go directly to an insurance company, awesome. But if they can't, don't get too worried about it. It's not a major deal. And just make sure to look at the fee. Ask your agent if you see a really high fee, maybe over $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Ask if that's the insurance companies or the insurance brokers. If it's the insurance brokers, the wholesalers, maybe there's some room to negotiate that down. Hey, if you found this helpful, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.